Within a few years of winning the lottery, the majority of winners file for bankruptcy. This is due to their incorrect knowledge of how money works. They frequently lack the skills necessary to manage finances effectively, grow wealth, and lead financially independent lives. It can be overwhelming to manage one's finances when attempting to get things straight. Others may not even notice it, as they are preoccupied with going to their preferred restaurants, paying their never-ending debts, and engaging in shopping sprees. Understanding the fundamentals of your financial life is a requirement for financial literacy. It focuses on learning how to budget, spend sensibly, invest, and increase your income. Despite how crucial this information is, studies have shown that more than 90% of people still lack understanding about the best ways to manage their finances. Financial knowledge is crucial, and this cannot be emphasized enough. Financial difficulties can be avoided with a proper knowledge of how to manage your income and expenses. The best path to financial freedom is this one. Before you can have your financial life under control, you do not need to comprehend complex terms and accounting jargon. To actually be in control of your finances, there are a few fundamental concepts you need to know, comprehend, and put into practice. Your income must outweigh your expenses. Gaining financial freedom is not possible if your spending is higher than your income, regardless of how much you make. The amount you spend each month should be less than what you make, regardless of where you are in life monetarily, your career, or your income level. Spending more than what you make will result in unnecessary debt and lifetime of servitude to your creditors and employers. Possessing a personal budget is the most straightforward strategy to control your expenditures. Most people think about budgeting as being constrictive and a recipe for an unhappy life. This is not at all the case. Budgeting is a need if you want to be financially independent and have the freedom to achieve your financial goals. Knowing how much you make each month compared to how much you spend is the first step in making a personal budget. You must keep track of your spending to accomplish this. You may keep tabs on your spending by utilizing an app or just by keeping a written record of everything you buy on a monthly basis. You can do this for 3 months, after which you can compute your monthly spending by averaging your monthly outgoings. After completing that, you can move on to creating a budget. The 50-30-20 budgeting guideline can be used. This means that you divide your monthly income into 3 equal portions: 20% for debt repayment and savings, and 50% for requirements, fixed expenses. You must develop the ability to differentiate needs from wants. You don't need some things and can live without them. Spend as little money as possible on those items and concentrate exclusively on the necessities. You may cut back on unneeded expenditure thanks to this. Making a list of the things you require will allow you to prioritize which items are urgently required and which can wait until your next payday. Delaying immediate gratification must become a habit if you want to reap long-term benefits. Additionally, you can spend less money on items like fast food, soda, pricey hangouts, and eating out. The amount of money you can save by keeping all of these in check will astound you. Your level of wealth or poverty is determined by how much you can keep, not by how much money you make. Setting money aside for the future is known as saving. When it comes to saving, we have both long-term and short-term objectives. The fundamental principle of saving is to set aside money rather than use it right now. People who have developed the habit of saving lead lives that are financially free. Money is consistently sent to their future. You can automate your saving to increase its effectiveness and lessen the temptation not to save. The majority of institutions offer this automated savings service. A specific sum is immediately withheld from and deposited into another account along with your salary. Monthly savings should be at least 10% of your net income. However, experts recommend that you save at least 15%. No matter what your responsibilities are, you should always set aside money each month. You should save money as a general guideline in case of crisis. crisis. You should therefore have an emergency fund. It's advised to have 3 months worth of expenses in an emergency fund. This money is what you set up for unanticipated events like unexpected medical costs, job loss, car repairs, and other things. You should pay off your past debts while you are saving for the future. Making a list of all your debts and paying the one with the highest interest rate first is advised. Your finances will benefit from this. You should also begin making retirement plans. No matter where you are, it is never too late to begin planning for your post-retirement needs. Anyone who aspires to financial freedom must have a retirement fund. You can employ 401k programs for your retirement savings for greater efficiency. The first financial rule is to never invest in something you do not fully understand. Before investing your money in any investment opportunity that is provided to you, take the time to fully comprehend how it operates. Before you invest in a firm, you need have a thorough understanding of its goals, operations, target market, margin of profit, prior expansion, etc. Never make an investment in something you are unsure of. Don't let the get-rich-quick scam fool you. You should be aware that wealth building takes time. Anything that guarantees you will maximize your profit nearly immediately is a scam. The second guideline is to never invest money that you can't afford to lose. Risk is a big part of life, and someone who isn't willing to take it won't get very far. Given this, you should be aware that investing is a dangerous game. It is only appropriate for the courageous. Even with carefully calculated plans, investments occasionally fail. Any money you invest must have you emotionally prepared to lose it. Strong minds maximize every investment. They know increased risk equals higher reward. Investing lets you spend your time on other things: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, etc. Some investments are riskier than others. Invest in your financial goals. Low-risk investments are good for low-risk investors. Money security after budgeting, saving, and investing. You need to know how to secure your money. Losing money to deception or ignorance is sad. Before investing, study the details. Get financial counsel and research before investing. You must also monitor bank account activity, secure passwords, and documents. Insurance protects you in crisis. Insurances serve varied functions. Find the ones you need and understand them before committing. Remember that losing money is simpler than making it. Study money management. Knowing money helps you make and keep it. Explore investment, savings, and other business options to reach your financial goals. You should recognize that nobody knows everything about finances. Daily stock market news opens up trading and investing chances. Staying with what you know may stagnate your finances. To stay financially fit, understand how to manage, multiply, and use your money. Many people struggle financially because they haven't learned how to handle their finances, and by watching this video, now you have an edge over them. Please continue to watch more videos like these on our channel. Please hit like and subscribe. Until our next video.